channel, Koki's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And of course, I'm super excited about this particular dish because anywhere where potatoes is involved, I mean, I'm just on top. I'm excited about this recipe. We are making garlic potato wedges, and right away let me show you how I like it with my style. So onto my ingredients, guys. With me here I have definitely potatoes over here, then I have some coriander, then this is flour, all-purpose flour, ndovu, I love ndovu, then this is 1 cup of water, then for my spices I'll be using turmeric, garlic powder, paprika, and some salt. If you have black pepper, well for you. So let me just show you how I'm chopping my potatoes. Because we are making potato wedges, we want them kinda huge, guys, so please don't make them a little bit thin. So like this is the size we want. All right, okay. Like this. All right, so the next step, we are going to partially boil them, and I mean it partially, guys. And the best way, guys, to boil them is by adding your salt at this point. So I'm just gonna add my salt so that they can mix in nicely. Then I'm going to slowly add in my potatoes like that. Then just give it a nice mix. Let's do this for 3 minutes. We don't want them to overcook, guys. Kindly be keen here. So as we wait for our potatoes, I thought it wise to continue on this next step. So with me here I have flour, all purpose, the one for chapati. This is almost half of this glass, guys. So onto it, I'm just going to spice it up. We are going to add some little turmeric, guys. Depending on how you love it, please don't put too much. Then we are making garlic potato wedges, so definitely we are going to be needing some garlic powder. If you have like this, oops, some are spilled, but it's okay. If you have the garlic itself, you can add it in. You can add it here. You can just like grate them in here. Then finally we are going to use some paprika like that. Then just give it a nice mix. Remember, you had some salt when your potatoes were boiling, so no need of adding salt. Then when it's all good, we are going to add in our water slowly as we just mix it in. So this mixture doesn't have to be thick, doesn't have to be light. Please just be cautious. Ikuwe tu hapo katikati. So guys, this is how it's supposed to be. Not so light and not so thick. Please, if you don't have garlic powder, you can use the garlic fruits, you can use the cloves themselves. Just grate them and mix it with your flour. I think that's all right. Like, I've made that clear. Then next we are going to add in our dhania, definitely, and mix it in nicely here. So just give it a nice mix. And our mixture is ready, so let's check on our potatoes. We don't want them to overcook. So back to our potatoes, let's check them. You can just use a knife to confirm. Oops, let me take another one. So just use a knife like this. We don't want to overcook them, so they are good. Mine has taken like 5 minutes. So we are going to drain this water and proceed. So after you've drained your water, we're just going to like patch out the remainings like this. And mine seem to have that is all good. So the next step, guys, we are going to dip these potatoes in our mixture over here. So just like this. And just do some at a go, some at a time, like this. nicely. So when it's all done, your oil should be heating up, then we deep fry them. So let's check our oil. So the next step, we're just going to dip them in like that. So, and finally they are golden brown, and the best thing about it, they are super crunchy. So I'm just going to set this aside and cook the next round. And finally we have our potato wedges with me here. Damn, oh my god, it looks super cute and definitely crunchy. Anything that's crunchy, it's just for me, guys. Let me see if I can show you. I mean, I don't know. Here they are. They have to have garlic potato wedges. Ni tamu wase. Anyway, guys, let me just finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. It has been amazing. Till next time. From me to you guys, too much. I know. Bye bye. Try the recipe, guys.